Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of disabled account on the application of X Twitter. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above, you will search about X Twitter and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next.